What if your home could clean, protect, entertain, think for you, without you lifting a finger? Today, we're checking out 20 smart home gadgets that feel straight out of the future. And trust me, some of these are seriously hard to ignore. Amazon Astro Home Robot. Imagine having a robot patrol your home while you're away. Amazon Astro can move around your house or apartment, monitor specific rooms, people, and objects, and even detect certain sounds. You can check in remotely and keep an eye on what's happening from almost anywhere. Priced at around $1,600, Astro is definitely not your average smart home gadget. It's more like a mobile security assistant that brings futuristic home monitoring straight into your living room. Onero H1. Forget robot vacuums. Onero H1 is designed to take on the actual chores humans do. This futuristic humanoid robot can understand its surroundings using vision, voice recognition, depth perception, and touch, allowing it to handle tasks like laundry, moving objects, and working alongside other smart home robots. The crazy part? Its AI system is designed to learn and improve over time. It's basically a glimpse at what a truly automated home could look like. Opula. What if your coffee table could suddenly become a 4K workstation, entertainment center, and full computer? That's exactly what Opula brings to your living room. Its 27-inch touchscreen tilts up to 75 degrees and can be raised or lowered for working, browsing, watching content, or even drawing. Underneath, it packs an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, speakers, Bluetooth 5.2, ambient lighting, and USB-C charging. This isn't just furniture, it's a futuristic computer hiding in plain sight. UGREEN Qi 2 Charging Stand. Say goodbye to messy charging cables. The UGREEN Qi 2 Charging Stand turns your desk or nightstand into a sleek charging station, delivering up to 25 watts of power while keeping your iPhone perfectly positioned. It can charge your iPhone, AirPods, and another device through USB-C at the same time. Always Home Cam. What if your home security camera could fly to wherever you need it? The Always Home Cam from Ring takes indoor monitoring to another level by autonomously flying through your home along preset paths. You can check different rooms remotely, and if your Ring alarm detects motion, the camera can automatically fly to the area where something is happening. When docked, the camera is physically blocked from recording, giving you more control over privacy. Portable SSD Drive. Running out of storage while shooting 4K video is every creator's nightmare. This compact portable SSD attaches directly to the back of compatible iPhones, giving you fast external storage without carrying a bulky drive. With read speeds up to 990 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 960 megabytes per second, it's built for demanding workflows like 4K ProRes recording, photo editing, and instant backups. At around $180, it turns your iPhone into a seriously capable portable workstation. T-Keyboard S3 Pro. This tiny keyboard packs way more technology than its size suggests. The T-Keyboard S3 Pro measures just 10 centimeters, but features 4 programmable keys, each with its own mini TFT display for custom icons, text, or animations. You can connect multiple keypads together to create a modular control center for automation, shortcuts, or creative workflows. With a rotary encoder option and 14 programmable LEDs, this $60 gadget can seriously upgrade your desk setup. Deluxe Mouse Foldable. Why carry a mouse and a presentation remote when one gadget can do both? The Deluxe MF10 Pro transforms from a wireless mouse into a presenter with the push of a button, letting you control slides, highlight key points, and switch modes instantly. Its triple Bluetooth connection works across laptops, tablets, and smartphones, while the lightweight 60-gram design makes it perfect for travel. With up to 20 days of use and a $27 price tag, it's a seriously practical desk upgrade. Foldimate. Laundry day just got seriously outdated. Foldimate is a smart machine designed to automatically fold and steam your clothes, turning a pile of laundry into neatly finished garments in minutes. It can handle up to 30 pieces in just 4 minutes, adjusting its process based on the fabric type. The built-in steaming system helps give clothes a polished finish without the hassle of doing it yourself. For around $293, this could make one of the most annoying household chores almost disappear. Hubble Traveller. Forget ordinary clocks. Hubble Traveller turns telling time into a futuristic light show. Inspired by the famous Hubble Space Telescope, this unique clock uses beams of light instead of traditional hands, projecting the time directly onto your wall. It automatically adjusts its brightness based on the surrounding light and only needs to be recharged about once a week. With a starting price of around $400, it's less like a clock and more like a futuristic piece of technology for your home. FerroBeat Speaker. This isn't just a speaker, it's a mini science show for your desk. The FerroBeat Speaker uses ferrofluid, a magnetic liquid that reacts to music and sound in real time, creating mesmerizing waves and patterns with every beat. Inside, a 10-watt speaker and DSP chip synchronize the fluid's movement with different frequencies. Even soft sounds can create relaxing effects, making it perfect for your desk, workspace, or entertainment setup. It's basically a speaker you can see as well as hear. Yarbo M. Imagine one robot handling your lawn, snow, leaves, and yard cleanup all year long. That's the idea behind Yarbo M, a modular outdoor robot that can switch between different attachments for different jobs. It can mow your lawn, clear snow, collect leaves, and navigate properties up to 1.5 acres using wireless mapping. Even steep slopes and rough terrain are no problem. It's basically an all-season robotic yard crew without the weekly hassle. Dreamie. What if your bedroom could actually help you sleep better without your phone? Dreamie is an intelligent sleep assistant that uses contactless sensors to track your sleep patterns, including how long you sleep and how often you wake up. It also monitors bedroom conditions like temperature, humidity, and light. Its dynamic dawn feature gradually brightens the room before your alarm, helping you wake up more naturally. It's like having a smart sleep coach sitting quietly on your nightstand. Rotating globe lamp. This looks like a tiny planet floating in midair. The rotating globe lamp uses magnetic levitation to suspend and spin a constellation globe 360 degrees above its base, creating an incredible futuristic effect. Its LED lighting can shift through vibrant colors, while wireless power keeps the globe rotating silently. You can even control the lighting effects through an app. CheerPlay. This isn't just a remote. It's a stress-relieving smart controller packed with surprising features. CheerPlay combines an Air mouse, presenter, keyboard, and remote into one compact device, letting you control presentations, browse the web, manage media, or even take photos from up to 10 meters away. Its touch wheel makes scrolling effortless, while the battery can last up to 30 days. It's a clever little gadget for work, entertainment, and everyday use. Laserabc A1 Projector. This tiny projector can turn almost any space into a futuristic light show. The Laserabc A1 weighs less than 1 kilogram, but packs a powerful battery for up to 4 hours of continuous projection. Through its app, you can draw, add text, animate graphics, and control scenes in real time, while AI can transform sketches and movements into sharp projections. It can even sync multiple units for larger displays, making it seriously impressive for its compact size. Baseus Desk Lamp. Need light exactly where you need it? The Baseus Desk Lamp is a tiny clip-on light that can attach to your laptop, desk, book, or even your bed. It offers 3 brightness levels with a 4000 Kelvin natural light designed to reduce glare and flicker, making it great for reading, working, gaming, or late-night studying. The clever clip also doubles as a base, giving you flexible placement wherever you need it. And at just $13, it's an easy upgrade. Mass 80 Keyboard. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a smart control center for your entire desk. The Mass 80 features an integrated touchscreen that lets you adjust volume, change songs, control apps, and check key PC information without reaching for your mouse. It also includes a built-in Pomodoro timer, Windows and Mac support, and a magnetic modular panel system for customizing your setup. If you want your keyboard to do more than just type, this one takes things to another level. So, which of these smart home gadgets would you actually bring into your home? From futuristic robots to clever everyday tech, the future is already here. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and subscribe for more incredible gadgets and future technology.